Hi folks, Mark here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Today I'm going to be planting in Corfu. Alright, so I thought I'd start out with sort of a before tour of what Corfu looks like right now. Let's zoom in on a little bit. And you can see right down here, right to begin with, we have a problem right here. You can see that the rabbit has completely eaten this broccoli. So I'm going to toss this, I'm going to plant some new broccoli, but I think the problem was that there's a gap right here. So I'll have some broccoli here, I'll just plant some starts. Over here I've got some oregano, some Italian oregano, onion plant. This was a ghost pepper and it's done. I just kept it for shade, so I'm going to get rid of that and plant. I got some lettuce growing in here, a lettuce mix. And then I'm going to pull this. This is the Trinidad scorpion pepper, and it's done, so I'm going to pull that out and plant the tomato right here. There is a kale plant. If I have time, I'm going to sprinkle some more kale seed along here. I had some kale grown here, and the rabbit got all of that too. I think he's saving the lettuce for later. A couple more onion plants. Obviously, it's not deterring the rabbit. And I've got pea plants growing right here. In fact, I even have. I'll zoom in. You can see my first pea pods coming up. There it is. And well, here's another one. Look at that. There. And I've got blossom. So we've got some more peas. There's some new pea seedlings coming up. Alright, and so that's what Corfu looks like. I think the bunny's getting in through these gaps and then having a feast. What I'm planning to do is just put some stakes in and wrap some bird netting around about 3 feet high, and that should keep it out. I don't think it can get over that. I am here in Corfu. Let's start with the broccoli. Oh, this is really soft soil, so this will look great. I'll do one here, one here. I've got a tray of 6. Let's just do 6 broccoli like this. Now, let's plant some more broccoli seeds. Planting some of these broccoli seeds. Here. There we go. And I'll throw this down, sort of as a mulch. And seed covering. Alright, so I'm going to do jalapeno pepper here, champion tomato here. Let's start by getting these cleared out. This is the old Trinidad scorpion. Morganite. Organic fertilizer starter mix. Organic starter mix. Fertilizer, whatever. We'll be working with today. 333 mix. And beautiful. And goes the tomato. And going to actually bury the main trunk to an inch or two. Probably throw some more soil on top of this. Let's try some. Okay, can we separate this into two? Looks like it. Let's give it a shot. One right there. And put a little starter mix in there. Now we're going to plant some kale seeds. So I'll put a little kale here around the edges. All right, well, let's get the jalapeno in the ground now. First of all, let's remove, this was a ghost pepper, but it's pretty played out, and I would rather have the jalapeno now. Oh, this one had really good roots. Looks like that. It's coming out of the, ooh. And we have grubs. We will be adding some beneficial nematodes. Let's be generous with them. All right. Some of organite. And you know what? Okay, I'm just going to remove this guy just in case. Let's put him between them here. There you go. Safe and sound. Now, here goes. My favorite pepper. Alright, well, I got everything planted here in Corfu I wanted to get planted today. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.